Hi everyone, welcome back to Deep Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a storage account in Azure. But before we get into the tips, let's take a moment to understand the different types of storage Azure offers and how they can fit your needs. Let's get started. Azure provides several types of storage options, each used for different use cases. And let me give you a quick introduction to each type of these. As you can see here, the supported storage at the services are blob storage, including data lake storage and queue storage, table storage, and Azure file and share also file. So let's start with blob storage. We have we have Azure Blob Storage. This is a great for storing unstructured data like images, videos, backup, and log files. Let's see, it's the go-to solution for big data analytics, data lakes, and streaming scenarios. If you are working with large data sets, Blob Storage is a perfect type for you. For the Azure file storage, this works like a shared file system in the cloud, and you can mount it on your devices just like a network drive. It's let's say it's ideal for team collaboration, lifting and shifting legacy apps to the cloud or sharing file across multiple systems. It support NFS protocol, so it's very flexible. And let's go to the table storage here. And the table storage, we have Azure table storage like no SQL key value storage that highly scalable. It's built for storing structural data like user profile, product catalogs, and many others data. If you need fast access to structural data without relational database, it's a great choice. And for the queue storage, another option is a queue storage, which is designed for message storage. It's enable communication between application components, make it ideal for distributed systems and synchronous workflow. For example, you could use it to manage jobs processing or handle, let's say, background task. And the disk storage, there is also Azure Disk Storage. This provides a high performance persistence storage for your virtual machines. It's a great fit for database, high transaction application, or any workload that require low latency, reliable storage. So, how to choose the right one? Indeed, it depends on your workload or your application. For example, if you are building a website, blob storage is a great for hosting images and videos. For shared file system, the file share storage is your best. And then if you need scalable, let's say structured storage, so go for the table storage. Now that we have covered the basic of storage types, let's move on to the very exciting part, creating a storage account in Azure. Now, first, let me go to this Azure Microsoft Azure, and this is the main, let's say, the main dashboard or the main page. And as you can see here, this is the storage account. And if it's not here, you can search storage. Just type storage here, storage, and you can find it here, storage account. And as you can see here, you have many storage accounts here. And something need to be mentioned. Once you have created a workspace or machine learning, Azure machine learning, it will be created. The storage account will be created automatically with random names. And for instance, I have created workspace demo Python storage. I think this one here, and this one it just added some alphabetic or numbers, random numbers. And now I will try to show you how to create this storage account. And you can go to the storage, this create. You can type here, click on create, and you can see his storage account is a Microsoft managed service providing cloud storage that's highly available, secure, scalable, and redundant. Storage account include blob service, as we already described here or mentioned. And for the main, let's see, for the basic choice, you have to choose your subscription. For me, I have only this one. And for the to create a storage account, you need a resource group. As I mentioned always, resource group is like umbrella, and all of these storage account, machine learning, workspace, and etc. They are like they are services under this umbrella. I'm just call it like this. Now you need to type your select the first select the resource group. If you have no resource group already created, you need to create one from here. Now let's see the storage account. The storage account name it's not that flexible. Let's see. So as you can see here, the name must be unique across all existing storage accounts name in Azure. It's not only in your workspace in Azure itself. It must be between 3 and 24 characters long and contains only low characters and numbers. So there's no dash, there's no underscore, there's nothing. You need just to add like this. Let's see storage account. I know manually 01. Let's see storage. So just call it like this, manually 01. Manually 01. And here's the region. What do they mean by region? As you can see in the Microsoft website, I think there was also here the region refers to the geographical region in which your account is based. And you can see if you go down here, you can see this is the region, selected regions. So you can try to select the nearest storage account, let's say the location close to you. So that's you can retrieve your data with low latency. Uh, Sometimes I'm just using SUSA, but never mind. You just need to select a region. And the primary service, you need to select this a blob server, blob storage, and usually I will try to use this one here, blob server, and just make it standard. If you make it premium, of course the data will be fast. I mean low latency, but you will pay much. And redundancy, just keep the default values. Let's see the advanced and this one just keep as a default. You don't need to change anything here. But let's see access T here. You can see optimize for frequently accessed data and everyday usage scenario. So if you need to retrieve your data frequently, you should use hot. If it's infrequently, just call. And if it's just rarely accessed your data, you can select this called. But let's just keep the default one. And the next, it's networking. It's this, just select the default values. The data protection, it will be protected by default. You just need to go further. And if you, by the way, if you select any other options here, for instance, you will charge more money. But I will just keep this is the default. Now let's create, review and create. Now, if everything is valid, it will be view automation template. Let me just say create, and you can see here subscription region, the name of my storage account, and premium services, performance standard, and etc. And you can see here this is disabled because, as I said, if you select it, you will pay extra money. You will be charged more. But let's just keep the default one. So this will take a few minutes, not few minutes, but maybe a few seconds. Now you can see its deploying is in progress. So our storage account name is store or storage manual 1. Let's see, this is our storage account. And let me just see if it's already needs still deploying. Okay, let me just go to data storage. I think you can see it here. Yeah, this is the main dashboard, and you can see the recent resources or create services. And let me just click here. This is the storage account, and also you can see the same information here. What we already selected, the resource group, subscription, any I mean the entered information here, and you can see here now it's blob service. Now after creating this storage account, I will try also to show you how to create this storage account, not manually, but via CLI command lines or command line or Python SDK, and the final one and most important one is via pipeline. And after that, we will try to create a container in this storage and upload the data, our data to this. So and that's it. So now your storage account is ready to use. You can now upload files, create containers, and or integrate it with your application. This is what we will see in the next coming videos. And whether you are storing blob, managing files, or building apps, your storage account is foundation for it's all. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Deep Knowledge channel for more other tips and tricks. Do you have a question? Drop me in a comment below. I will try. I'm happy to help. Until the next time, happy learning. Thank you.